Hello, today I want to introduce what is digital ethnography, and I will take Worldcoin as the example. Worldcoin in this example is I will treat it as a digital institution, and so what is the institution and what is ethnography? For ethnography want to answer some questions. Who designed the definition of the human? Which bodies may be excluded? Do institutional systems reflect cultural or political bias? These questions show that identity systems are never neutral. So, what is the traditional ethnography? Traditional ethnography is the researchers stay at a physical place and focus on kinship systems, religious rituals, and local authority. For digital ethnography shifts attention to platforms, algorithms, and interfaces. This reflects a broader social change. Institutions are no longer only human or legal, but increasingly technique automated. So let's define digital ethnography. Digital ethnography is a qualitative approach adapting ethnographic method to study social interactions, meaning making, and cultures within digital environments, including platforms and algorithms. From methodology, it combines participators' observation, discourse analysis, and multimodal data collection, including screenshots, chat logs, and metadata. We analyze how technique systems shape identity and power while navigating ethical issues, including privacy and consent, in hybrid online and offline contexts. Let's take this example. This example is a PhD, social science PhD student, and she is also a TikTok pole dancing and also a TikTok user, and she posts some pole dancing video and image to her Instagram and TikTok account, and both platforms demote or ban her accounts. So she write this experience as the example, and she used the digital ethnography as the methodology. In this case, her research focus is to study how flagging and deprofiling shaping inequality on Instagram and TikTok. In some online abuse through platform affordance and moderation systems. He used the below digital ethnography methodology, semi-structured virtual ethnography interviews, participant observation of platform experience, and algorithmic behavior, phenotype and semantic analysis for lived experiences. Class platform tracing the discussion, for example, in Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and discussions. And she find platform governance assemblages. Digital mobile behavior and coordinated reporting happened in both platforms. The ethnography inside the study provided is moderation tools become social power structures, marginalize the creator experience emotional, economic, and identity impact, because for this example, she used Instagram and TikTok to introduce her experience and attract more students to join his course. So, what is the institution? Institutions are not limited to all. They include who is recognized as a member, how membership is obtained, what happens when rules are violated, and whether rules are taken for granted. Institutions structure everyday life and shape what feels normal or acceptable. On digital platform, institutions operate through technology, economic incentive, and networks rules. Rules are enforced by systems rather than people. This represents a major transformation in how social order is produced and maintained. So why use the Worldcoin as an example? Because Worldcoin says to establish a global digital identity infrastructure through biometric verification. The device is called ORB. Rather than relying on passports or state-issued credentials, identity is authenticated via a device that scans the human iris. This positions Worldcoin as a compelling example of emerging no-state institutional authority in digital governance. This is the ecosystem of the Worldcoin, including the WLD token and the World app and the World ID. Everyone has, if they want use the orb to verify you are human, and they use a World ID to verify you are a member. So you need to use app and orb to join this ecosystem. And currently, there are 70 million users join this ecosystem. And you can also invite people to join this Worldcoin to earn Worldcoin. And you also can buy the orb. Orb is not only owned by Worldcoin, but you can also buy. And if you have an orb, you can be the leader of the community, and also can help your community members to register as a Worldcoin member. So how we to start this Worldcoin? This is the digital token methodology for starting Worldcoin. The first, we needed to define the digital field. As we talk, this Worldcoin including the World app, websites, and Telegram, Discord, the discussion, social network, and also governance documents. So we need to map ecosystem. What app UI over verification sites and Telegram, Discord discourses, and the governance documents. The Worldcoin as a digital institution assemblage because it included the interface plus rules plus users. The second one, we needed to collect the data. We use the participation observation to join the Worldcoin as to know the onboarding and the verification flow. Then we trace in this ecosystem, including the notification, referral mechanism, reward changes. Then we also can use the semi-structured interviews to other users for other users, and including the verified users failed applicants operator of orb. Then we can capture algorithmic gossip and the community sense making to know how the community is thinking about this ecosystem. Then the analysis strategy we use is I use is a semantic encoding. including the membership and the personhood and incentive and symbolic capital, governance, authority, and power. We can use this strategy to triangular interview quote, platform traces, process, and public discourse to help our analysis. The final output should not include biometric collection and we need to anonymize identity. And we focus on how digital infrastructure produce legitimacy, inclusion, and exclusion.